Hey traders, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. You're looking at a live trade of IGT. Well, I'm not in the trade yet. I'm looking to buy the stock at $17.38. This was a trade given out to my subscribers at 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 30 minutes before the opening bell even rung. IGT closed yesterday up at 21 bucks. It's getting absolutely hammered, taken out behind the woodshed today, down 16% as we speak, looking for a specific price target to buy at $17.38. If we can get filled at $17.38, I'm going to be looking for about 25 cents on the first portion of the trade. I'll take my profit and I will hold some. If I get filled, I'll hold some to see if we can get it higher. This is a very, very good level. The stock should absolutely rip higher off this level, but it takes some time. So I want to make sure I book some profit right out of the chute if we get filled here. Haven't got filled yet, obviously. We haven't hit the 1738, but this is my morning gap trades. When stocks are gapping higher or lower at the open, through my course at Lazy Gap Trader, I teach my traders how to identify and calculate these specific price levels where stocks are first going to be drawn to, and then they'll have a price reaction from in the other direction. This is what you're looking at live right now. We should get there. It's close enough where we're going to get to 1738. Might even go down to 17 and a quarter, but that's okay. 1738 is where my order is. There it is. Okay, I am filled at 1738. Now we're just looking for a quick bounce. I'm looking for 25 cents off that level, and then I'm going to take half the position off the table, and I'll keep the other half for any remaining push higher that we get through the remainder of the trading day, or at least the remainder of the morning. We'll see what happens. But we should get a quick bounce off this level. It's a very, very strong level. Here it comes. 1746. We should get up. I'm looking for 1763 to get out of my first half of the position. That'll put some money in my pocket. And if it rips higher, we should see 18 to 18 and a half, no problem today off this trade. That'll be a tremendous second half of the trade, but I want to make sure I book some profit and put the money in my pocket. And what I'll do there is I'll have a break-even stop, or I'll move the stop up a little bit below today's low, and then we'll see what happens from there. But I'm looking for 1763. Actually, I'm going to make it 1761 just to be on the safe side. Bear with me a second. I'm going to change that. Okay, 1761 is where I'm going to sell the first half of my position. See how strong this level was? Here it comes. Okay. See how strong the 1738 level was? My traders in Lazy Gap Trader know exactly how to figure out and calculate these specific price levels where stocks are drawn to and have a price reaction from in the other direction. Okay, they filled me at 1761. I am filled. That's the first half of the position. I'm holding another half of the position for a move all the way up to 18 or 18 and a half. I'll decide later, but I'm not going to hold the video over this long. That could take a couple of hours to happen, but nevertheless, this is a strategy that traders understand how to figure out what price the stock should be drawn to and have a bounce higher in the other direction. Everything they need to know, or everything you need to know, is taught in my course at LazyGapTrader.com. I'm going to wrap up the video here. I'm David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. You were looking at a live trade of IGT off of a morning gap trade. Stock was down over 16%. We identified the level at 1738 before the opening bell even went off. Come over to Lazy Gap Trader. Learn everything you can learn, everything I'm willing to teach you at LazyGapTrader.com about the morning gap trades and also the second strategy, or the gap fill trades. Thanks for tuning in, traders. I'm David Frost.